What's up YouTube? This is Chip Charlie doing his own thing. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to work on 2015 Honda Odyssey and the tray. Listen carefully. You see something behind the tray, and let's try it. And that sound not right. Jammed in somehow, so I'm gonna show you how to fix this thing. A tool for today, you will need a flathead screwdriver, and that will be it. So first, move your car seat all the way back. Move your middle console a little back so you have kind of clearance on both sides. So one is located right here. So it's behind there. It's hard to see. Do you see that latch down there? So you will push. You see this white spot? That's where it latches, and then there's a little tiny piece there. That's where it makes it stop. So you're gonna wiggle a little bit left and right and slide through. Oh, push that spot there. And you see that side is coming out a little bit. All right, so don't pull too hard, you want to break on the other side. So one side is unlatched. On the right side, there's another latch. Actually, I got good camera on this side now. So this is where it's cut latches. So push there like that. And pull. See, now it's unlatched. And pull back like that. And guess what I found there behind the tray. So obviously we see it went in through there. And this one has a actual side like railing, so it pushes in. So make sure you're putting the rail correctly. Yep. So that's how you remove your middle tray of Honda Odyssey 2015 EX. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe. And I believe my channel will help you one day. Have a great day.